Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. As you can see, the focus of this video is my driving robot discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux programmed in Python. And it has a camera, sonar, 2 touch sensors, a light to indicate any change, and a propeller that indicates that the algorithm is running, and 2 battery packs, which makes it quite heavy on this side, apart from the motors, which are also heavy, but they are on the front. Now here is some room for improvement. And as you can see here, the axle of the rear wheel is not quite as it should be. And let me shift this up a bit. With this view here, I'll shift the robot a bit, you can see that there are 2 points intended to be fixed to the frame. However, it's only fixed here, which leaves some room for improvement here, which is why I have made this part, well, assembled this part actually. And I'm going to shift it right in here. So now they're connected here and here. So the result will be that it has now one supporting here and one supporting here, which is much more robust. Apart from that, back with the battery pack, and see if I can make the robot drive better and quicker, because last few times that didn't really work out anymore. Well, it can drive fast, but the reason why it doesn't do it is still a mystery. So let's put it on the floor and get some nice results, hopefully. Okay, screencast with the source code on the controller, then ready for execution on the controller. Interface test from RoboPro showing nothing on I5 but on I7 9.1 volts. That is because I have put this switch in 0 position. So if I put it now in this position here, not here but here, I5 should indicate a 9.1 voltage, which it does. So I'm switching this back to 0, so I have something to back up to if I manage to get notification in time. Anyway, let me close this, otherwise I can't run the coder. And the idea is, of course, to get it running, to get it driving towards these objects right here. And that has been a struggle lately. So I have now put consciously everything on 5 volts, not 5 volts, on 60 centimeters. And hopefully the program is doing that. Although the data log didn't work out for me. So let's do something while driving. Let's go. Two and a half seconds wait for the camera to activate. Okay. Why doesn't this work? Oh, I have to. No, okay. This is working. And the propeller is running. So that's not the point. There's a lamp going with sound. That's okay for me. But it's not driving. Once again, it is not driving at all. Sending over a lot of pictures. But that's not what I want to see. Once again something, but that's not my objective. Okay, let me look at the data file. And this is all there is. So, camera action 2. That is right there, which is where exactly? In the end of the program, because this is the end, and counter end distance is 350. It's full distance. So camera action 0, airplane sound, I don't get it. This is what it did last time, obviously, as well, but I don't know the reason. I have improved some of the writings to the data file. So with the distance being 60 centimeters, no change there. Let's run it again. If something's work out at this. Two and a half seconds for the camera once again, and that's not what I want to see. Abortions for the connections. No thank you. I can't do this quicker, unfortunately. And it does do everything, but it doesn't drive. So, assuming that it, using the test, does drive. Yeah, and so, okay, let me end this. Reading the data file. That's alright, while sonar is 62. Yeah, it is 62 and it stays 62 as long as it doesn't write. I have also an entering thing for a while loop, which I'm not reading anywhere. So that's a problem. Okay, then still 8.8 volts, that's alright. Now how do I write? Let's decrease the speed, and that would be this, I think. Yep, that's alright. Okay, it does function. That as well, although it slips a lot, but it is proof, and that's a bump against the tripod of the camera. But anyway, it does show that the motors are functioning. So let me put it back to the 60 centimeters. Which is right here, and like this is 60 centimeters. So remains the question, why doesn't it drive? Okay, I have been doing some tests with the motor, in the sense of how do I know that it actually does set speed to the motor, because that is needed to get the motor activated. And right here in that file says set speed, which is actually right here, and that you can see by the other stuff. Sync data end, which is right here, sync data begin. So yeah, however, the set speed is 125, and with the increased weight that may not be enough. So while 125 is in the beginning determined or decided to because of the slowing speed that it needed, that I thought it had needed, but since it doesn't move at all, I think I should double it. Not here, right here. Maybe that will work. So let's give this a try. And I have finally found the problem, because right here at the start I have increased the speed to 350, and now it has moved, and I saw a little shock in the robot driving forward for 1 centimeter exactly. So yes, my thought of too slow speed. Now I do hope I can repeat this. Yes. How much will it measure now? Still 61. I am going on. Because it will drive, it will have to drive. But for some reason it doesn't do it consistently. Okay, how can I improve? So yes, the weight was the problem, including with respect to the speed, but it stops immediately. So speed and weight were the contradicting matters. Increased the speed to 400, and at the start of the program I already saw a jolt in the speed. Now I wanted to sustain that. So far nothing, but it should do something. Keep it going. And apparently, I think, I have another issue, because what's the speed anywhere else? Motor fan speed is not interesting. This is 512, right here, 512. If it doesn't drive using 512, and another set speed, 512, oh that's commented out, here as well, minus 250, yeah, that is not enough. I have to increase it because of the added motor. I have to increase it. So this is going to be 4 and 0. 4. I have to. Set distance is okay with me, but where's the speed? This has to be 400 then. Contact 2, yeah. Where's any other speed? Minus 512, that should be enough. And here, way too low. This should be 400 as well, due to the increased weight. Yep. Finally solved, hopefully. Here again. This should work. But if you don't have the circumstances, you will never get it. So, that being said, testing for this is next time. And a very short final look at ImageMagick for the taken images. These are the last two ones, and yeah, that is still very good. Everything I want with this. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notifications, and leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Please do support via either PayPal or Ko-fi, or become a patron for as little as $2 or €2 a month. This is obviously going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.